It is summer here in South Africa and fairly warm during the days. And the question is, when is the best time to water your clivias? Early in the morning, late in the afternoons, or in the middle of the day? Welcome here at Clivias for Africa at today's Clivia Chat. My name is Mani. Here at Clivias for Africa, we like to water at the coolest time of the day in summer. In other words, early in the mornings. Our second best option is late in the afternoons, and the last option, which is probably the not so good option, is in the middle of the day when it's at its hottest and warmest. Let me explain to you why. Early in the mornings when it's cool, the temperatures are obviously at its lowest, the humidity is at its lowest, and therefore the chance that you're going to waste a lot of water evaporating in the heat is at its least. So the plants will have the opportunity to get most of the water into the soil, which they can absorb and use. Also, because of the lower temperatures, the plants are in a good state and they are not stressed up because of heat, which will also allow them to function at their best. In other words, to absorb water at their best. The second best option is late in the afternoon, where normally it's also cool, but it can be a little bit warmer than early in the mornings. So it can be a little bit higher humidity, but still it's a good option. It's not very hot, the humidity is probably still acceptable, and the plants are probably also not in a state of stressing because of heat, and they will also be able to absorb water probably at a good rate. The last option and the least best option is probably in the middle of the day when it's at its hottest. And the reasons for that is, first of all, the temperatures are going to be at its highest, which means that it might be very hot and the plants might go into some kind of a stress phase, which means that the plants might be stressed up and not functioning as well as it should. Secondly, the humidity is probably going to be at its highest. So there's two things here that's negative. The first thing is a lot of the water that you spray on the plants are probably going to evaporate very quickly. In other words, the plants are going to be able to absorb least of the water compared to early in the mornings or later in the afternoons. Secondly, because of the high temperatures and the high humidity, the risk for fungal infections is probably going to be at its highest. And that is why I would not recommend the last option. So to sum up, very simple, probably early in the mornings, the best time to water your clivias. Second best option is late in the afternoon or probably in the early evenings. And the last best option, which I would not recommend, is in the middle of the day when it's at its hottest. So whenever it's summer at where you stay, this is something that you can consider, keep in mind, and probably incorporate with growing and breeding your clivias. Well, I hope this video helped you. Please like and share this video with your clivia and plant friends. Please subscribe to our channel and also remember to click on the notification bell to be informed of similar videos as soon as they are available in future. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, bye-bye.